Hey friends, if you encounter the HIDCLASS.SYS failed blue screen error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution will be to update rollback or disable drivers, but which one? So it depends. Search for device manager and open the device manager. Let's say the problematic driver was the network driver. Expand it, right click on it, select properties, select driver. Now usually the option to rollback driver is grayed out because you might not have that option, but still you can try updating it at least. Okay, and if that doesn't work, then uninstall it and then close it, click on action and scan for hardware changes to reinstall it. The next one is running an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next one is the check disk scan. So type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. And the last one is to run the Windows memory diagnostic tool. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command mdsched and hit enter and click on restart now and check for problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.